We are about to color drench our office, paint beige accent trim in our hallway and living room, and paint our front entry door black. Keep watching to see how it all turns out. If you're new here, we recently bought a home sight unseen. It was built in 1993 and was never renovated. When we stepped inside for the first time, it was a little like stepping back in time. Subscribe and follow as we bring this home into the 21st century with only basic construction experience and a tight budget. We are definitely going to have to get creative and do a whole lot of learning along the way.
I don't even know what I'm looking at. Let's see here. Oh boy.
Previously, we removed popcorn ceilings ourselves for the very first time. When we were finished, it was so exciting to remove the plastic sheeting and have clean floors once again. Happy to be without popcorn.
Here we go.
So good.
So you like it then?
Yeah, a little bit. It's my happy dance. Let's do lots of happy dancing.
All right, let's do a satisfying, like, good, solid peel, you know?
All right, I'll try my best.
Yeah.
Not as good at peeling as I am in Chanson either.
Mm.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh,
Is that
baby. That's
like
nice. That's nice.
All right. Here's my knees crack. Actually 80 years old.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now that we have popcorn-free ceilings, it's time to tackle our next project, painting. Not only are we painting all the ceilings, but we've decided we will also paint all the walls, trim, and doors. Okay, what's going on today, Wender?
Let's do a quick walkthrough to our kill room. All plastic everywhere. Anyways, we had to put plastic in, get the popcorn out, and then take all that plastic out, redo it again, loft the sprayer. But you spent a lot of time prepping. This took all day. Like all day yesterday, from morning to like 7 o'clock at night. Taped off everything that's not even painted. Obviously all the carpet, took all the plates out, sanded the walls a little bit. And now we're ready. We're just gonna do white on everything, and then later on change the trim color if we decide that it's too white. But for now, got the spray paint ready. That's all the closet stuff. And then you're working on the bathroom there?
Mm-hmm. Almost done plasticking that up.
Yeah, and that's a nightmare as well.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah,
Almost there.
Let's get to spraying.
Let's do it. Okay, so what's going on? Tell me.
Well, I just did one coat of primer. And then once it's dry, I'm going to go back and fix little things like that. A little bit of drippage over there.
Oh, yeah.
Still kind of figuring out this gun. I might actually brush that right now.
Yeah, probably should.
And yeah, I mean, better than popcorn. Needs a little bit of work, but not
way better than popcorn.
All right, let me get that toothbrush.
And then in here, in the bedroom, we're done with primer, right? And we're just... Next is the first coat.
Paint.
Finish paint. It looks so good though. Good job, babe. Sticking to. Oh my gosh, everything is so white.
The hospital's ready.
How did you stay so paint free?
I'm professional. Paint goes on the wall, I don't need it. It's straightforward.
See, it's not that dark.
Nice
though.
green paint.
You think it's green?
I don't know.
Really? I mean, I wanted it to have a little bit of green.
You've seen green.
A little brown, little green.
Yeah. Green.
But the green light that we're seeing might be because
The light. Oh, yeah.
the green paper on the windows.
Green. So this should be well mixed, right? They just mixed it yesterday?
Yeah.
Pretty close right there.
Should be, yeah. Just a little. Just needs a little guy. In our previous homes, we'd painted a wall or two, or more likely asked my dad, a professional painter, to paint for us. This home was the most painting we'd done ourselves, and as with everything we do for the first time, we learned lessons along the way. One thing we realized early on was that using our new paint sprayer, though we were very excited to try it, didn't necessarily make sense on every project. Okay. Do you need help? Huh?
I think I got it. It's super easy. It's just like coming out of a right the store. It says what? Say about the zip line.
The zipper?
Yeah, the zip line. Zippity zip, zip-a-doo. Zippity door. Zippy door.
We started off using the sprayer, painting our primary bedroom, primary closet and bathroom, and our office. By the time we were finished with those areas, however, we decided to switch to rolling and brushing the rest of the house. For us, the choice to switch came down to the amount of prep work and plastic sheeting that was needed to spray, versus painter's tape and drop cloths needed to paint with a brush and roller. Because we still had to live in our home while we were painting, having plastic sheeting everywhere got annoying really fast. So this vent is in the middle of our hallway. I don't understand why they do this. I thought it was a Texas thing because you have the same thing in Texas where they do a half wall for your HVAC and then a vent in the bottom. Like, why can't it just be its own door with like vent in the door or something? I don't know. But anyway, it was silver, so I just painted it. I taped off the whole area. I just removed all of the plastic that I had so that it wouldn't get on my new trim and doors that I painted, but I sprayed it white so that way it would look more modern and kind of go with the rest of the hallway. finished painting the wall, and I also did a first coat of beige. It's Accessible Beige by Sherwin-Williams on the trim.
Why did you decide not to fill the hole for the screws again? Just the nail files?
I don't think that was a conscious decision.
Oh.
Anyway, everybody, it looks great.
Hey!
So that's going to be all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep bringing content like this. Next up, we are diving into our biggest project yet.
Oh, it's not going to be big. It's going to be huge. I mean, like, huge.
We're going to be renovating our kitchen and our laundry room.
Paper steak. Just to make sure we'll give it a couple more floors because I hate sheetrock. So minimum amounts of repair is the goal here.
Just a piece from over there. Ah, the ceiling. See, wish you're not.
Now, there's a pipe right here.
There is?
No, I'm saying if there is, we're just building this back.
Okay. We will see you in the next one. Bye.